All right, what do we got going on here? Looks like we got some resin, a stalled project. We got our Kustoms illustrated. We want to make sure you got your subscription. Make sure you check out our sponsors and supporters. And with that, let's go ahead and dive into the video. We'll be right back. Hey, what's up everybody? Paul here, Left Coast Model Car Builds. Happy Tuesday. We're back with kind of a blended Tuesday resin review, a little bit of a stalled project as well. As I mentioned with the resin stuff, we're going to be kind of mixing some things in here and there. Keep with some of the resin as we go, and other days it may be a stalled project Tuesday or something else. Got some other ideas going, but like I say, as some of the resin kits dwindle down, we'll kind of work some things in to keep with the Tuesday episode to keep you guys going. So today we're going to look at a Modelhaus 1965 Malibu SS, which is a really nice piece here. Very clean. We're going to go ahead and take a look at that. We got a really cool Kustoms illustrated, the Hero Hotted drop top Mert. And as I was going through some stuff, found this old stalled project, little custom 40 Ford that was started many years ago. We'll just say that. So got some cool work going on. You can kind of see here where the cuts were to bring the top back a little bit. You got your supports, as you can see right in here. Kind of strengthen that up, cant the post a little bit. So we got to rework these rear windows, get everything shaped up as smooth as you can in plastic form, and then start working everything else over. Looks like we had some markings here. Pops had some kind of an idea here for the front. Not 100% sure, but might be a fun project to pick back up on. Lots of ideas here. A lot of ideas. You can see it gives it that nice little slant back look. Yeah, that'll be a fun one. You're just kind of laying that back piece down a little bit, canting the post, giving a little angle, and it really just gives that a nice little different look. I don't have a stock one in here, or I'd show you to compare, but yeah, so that's a cool little project. It'd be fun to get it going back one day and really clean this up and make a neat little custom out of that. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and dive into our resin review, then our Kustoms illustrated. So give me a second, we'll be right back. All right, so now we're going to take a look at this Modelhaus 1965 Chevy Malibu SS. So this is a really clean piece here. Got to find the dash and the steering wheel. I think that got moved, but really nice. You can see the stock caps. Our body is very clean all the way around. I mean, it's super clean. This will be a nice one to work with here. You can see the inside's really clean. You know, all your emblems, your window trim, your Malibu SS here, really clean. So this will be really cool. We got our tail lights, we got a nice front bumper, grille, and our rear bumper back here. So yeah, you can't beat a nice 1965 Malibu SS. You know, you can build really neat, just a stock build, or a neat street machine, muscle car. You know, that's gonna be really fun to do one day. I'm not sure if we have two of these. I thought Pop said he had one started, but I could be wrong. I might be thinking of the Chevelle Z16, but yeah, so really cool. I saw that, thought that'd be a fun one to take a look at. See some pretty clean details here on the door panels, the interior, overall pretty nice. Nice little detail on your wheels. Again, very basic, but you could do a lot with this. So yeah, we'll see how that goes one day. Sure, it'll make into a neat little build. All right, well, let's go ahead and pack this up and take a look at our Kustoms Illustrated over here. Give me a second, we'll be right back. All right, everybody, here we are, Kustoms Illustrated. We got issue number 36, and the Hirohata Merc. I mean, that's just an iconic custom Mercury. Absolutely beautiful. So we're gonna see some of that in here. We got an outstanding lineup as usual. You got your ads for your car shows. And holy smokes, let's check this out. Clean shave, that is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, that's just a beautiful shoebox right there. Let's check out that interior. We got some white and gold. And then we just got the absolutely beautiful build right there, man. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I just absolutely love that. Just a wonderful example of the shoebox Fords there. Oh, that was great right off the bat. The original 1966 Batmobile, very cool. I know a lot of people are familiar with that, and if you didn't know what it started as or came from, but really cool stuff on that. Got some custom news. Always fun to read up there. Cadillac sombrero wheel cover conversions. Very cool read right there. You know, if you follow any of the customs or the kind of old school stuff, you know those Cadillac sombreros are an excellent choice. Now we're here with Gaylord's Tops, part 2. You know, just really cool stuff. This is a great read, as is most of the stuff here in the books. See some really cool classic stuff right there. You got that beautiful pleat work on that interior. Old Carcraft. Some really cool custom work here. Looks like a mashed up car that someone's turning into a custom. I think we talked about that a little bit in the last episode going through. That was the way a lot of customs kind of came back into fruition back in the day. You know, car got mashed up pretty good and, you know, turned into a custom. Orange hauler, really nice pickup right here. Got the beautiful scallop paint work on this old Ford. Very cool. See some very nice custom touches on that. Get that beautiful white interior, gauges, orange accents throughout that interior. Really helps everything kind of pop and come out. And here we go, Hira Hada drop top. So kind of a fun spin twist off here. Really cool. This is a great read too for anybody that enjoys, you know, reading up on all this old custom stuff. You know, these are just wonderful books here, little magazines. See, just beautiful custom work inside and out. We got the Grand National Roadster Show. That's an absolutely wonderful show to attend, and that's kind of, you know, a bucket list thing for a lot of people, even out of the area. It's just one of those things that you kind of have to experience, you know. Absolutely gorgeous. That's cool right there. Very neat. Some celebrity stuff there going on. Really cool steel. You know, to have a car basically in that steel look, that's a lot of work to get that nice and straight. You know, do all your body work, have it look really good. It's a beautiful pearl paint job with that blue top, really nice. There's some absolutely stunning stuff there. Check that out. John D. Agostino's 40 Caddy. Absolutely gorgeous. Love that paintwork. That is a beautiful color. Just suits that car really nice. There's a really nice pearl white. Looks like. Love a nice pearl paint job like that. I've been telling myself as I'm building a neat little custom or cruiser in a nice pearl white, I'm probably going all the way back to my teenage years, and it's something I just haven't done. I'm gonna have to do that here. Get a nice pearl white paint job going. So here we got some really nice customs. And that looks nice right there. Check that out. Really cool, really cool. Blue Lagoon 53 Chevy. Yeah, those make some really cool customs right there. See some beautiful paint work on that. A nice two-tone interior. Actually carrying in the accents from the car on that, the paint. Really nice body work there. Pinstriping. Just beautiful. Customs in scale. Very cool. That's an absolutely gorgeous 49 Ford that Eric built right there. Friend of mine, that was just a beautiful custom build. Check it out. So there's Pops's 49 Ford in there. Forgot that was in here. So that's Pop's work right here. This 49. That's this candy purple. Some Modelhaus Packard tail lights, wheels and tires. Got a white and purple interior. Some nice little details. It's got a little Chevy 350 detailed. Brake lines, fuel lines, all that fun stuff. Really cool. I forgot that was in here. Need to see that. There's another one of my buddy Eric's builds. That was a really nice one. If you watch some of my short videos, you'll see that 60 Impala. That's kind of what that design came from. The paint, the flames, everything. He did a killer job on that. A beautiful 36. That's a really neat build combo right there. I've seen that around. Well, and it looks like that's going to bring us to the end of our Customs Illustrated and another Resin Review Tuesday. So hope you guys are having a good week, and we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure you guys get your subscriptions in for our Customs Illustrated. Good stuff.